shit. Dog shit. I'm glad that you, I'm modeling this the way, I'm selling this to you. I mean, I'm not even fucking bald, I'm just buzzed. I bicked the sides of my head and the back when I was, I think I was like 19 or something. Fucking. Everybody made memes out of it. What? White women like. That's a wild thing to say. Shorty, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Y'all gotta read this chat. This is crazy. I know, I want to cheers my noggin with all of the bald people around the world now. I want to like rub my head up against other people's heads. I feel like being bald is a type of person. Oh my god, this comment section is terrible. Or chat. It's so bad. Can I read this? Do you